For this Mystery Tech segment, we have a very special guest. Betty from Switch and Click is here.
Hi, woo!
Betty, as I'm sure you longtime Mystery Tech viewers will have seen, once built me one of the most badass keyboards of all time that I still use every day. And I've heard that you've come today
bearing gifts.
Okay, come on over. Come on, let's see.
Wait, can I throw it?
Yeah, do it.
Nice catch.
Better than Ken.
That was impressive. I was afraid for my life. All right.
The idea behind this is tormenting.
Oh.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming on the channel. I appreciate it so much. That's great. All right, let's see. I'm excited.
I try my best.
Oh.
No.
Sickos, yes.
Oh, even better. Wait, does it not? Do the keycaps not have letters on them?
No, they don't.
Even better. Oh, let's go.
They're all
My
black.
boy's gonna learn how to type today.
Let me understand. So this is a split keyboard, low profile, with no lettering on the keycaps.
Yep.
I will say this looks really cool
It's
though.
sort of
It's so cool.
Yeah.
It's sleek.
This is
Like,
perfect
look
for
at
Kinsey.
this.
I will say Kenzie is a regular split keyboard user.
Yeah, I daily the ergo docs on my desk here at work, and I love it.
I'm glad that you're here to. This just gives me anxiety.
To demo some fast typing speed.
Okay.
So I'm gonna show you what all the keys are, and then if you want to modify any of them, you can do that.
Oh, I see.
So it's called the Corn V4.
So what did you actually? So what part of this did you buy versus build? I'm curious. Like how custom is it?
Okay, so embarrassing story, right?
Uh-oh.
I bought this whole kit
Yes.
to build it, and then it came with all these parts like encoders and I don't know, things I've never seen before, and I was like, I'm not building that thing.
So what's this?
This is a one I bought.
Oh, smart.
Now that's the Mystery Tech spirit right
that's
there.
the Rachel Ray, just like it's done.
Okay, so if
Can you put? Is there an easy mode by chance?
this is as easy as it gets.
Just do it, man. Like.
Okay.
All right.
My first ever try.
You do it first, because I'm actually really bad too.
Okay, yeah, well, something tells me you're gonna be much better than I am. Can I get more than one word per minute?
Yes.
Ready, set, no.
Yes.
Get one letter per minute.
No. Let me do a 10-word test to see how long it takes me to get 10 words right.
Okay, 10 words,
Give
all
him a
right.
word.
Ready,
This round.
set, go.
It's bad when they bring out the calendar for as a unit of measurement.
11 words per minute! Let's go!
11 words.
All right, Kenzie, would you like to embarrass me now?
Let me kind
Do
of.
you need to look at the?
Yeah,
Do
you
you need to look
get
at the
prepped.
layout?
My first impression is this is really cool. It's very like light and low key, and like the backlight comes through really like tasteful and pretty.
How are you typing so fast?
I'm used to it.
Oh my God.
I'm used to it. I'm impressed.
I feel like we're watching like a
Yeah.
like a Street Fighter tournament.
Yeah. Wait, what kind of numbers are you putting up? Are you still testing?
I'm getting screwed up.
She got like 38 the first time.
38!
So that's
Okay.
The first try, you got 38? Oh, we're cooked.
That's 30-something
Sorry.
times more than you did.
I know!
I'm embarrassed to say that I use a lot.
84.
she's
Oh my God!
she's getting faster
84!
and faster. What?
It's something you just gotta get used to.
What in the world?
112. I'm okay now.
112!
That's not real.
Holy. So I think it's gonna be her keyboard.
Yeah, you know, I think Kenzie, you can show everyone how to do this. Betty, thank you very much for bringing this amazing item here. And thank you for pushing me outside my comfort zone. And most importantly, making Kenzie look really cool.
You got something in your throat, buddy?
Yeah, it's called this next segment of Mystery Tech.
Yikes.
Oh
Well.
my god.
That did not even make it to the table.
That was a great toss.
Oh
That's
god.
what real professionalism looks like, my friends. I almost threw it off the table. That's a very gold package. The One Pro. Well, I'm One Pro. Oh, XREAL. Is this sponsored?
No.
No.
In fact, they sent it to us for free in our PO box.
So not sponsored, just offered as a offering.
Well, they
So if I
may
actually
not
take a
be
look at it-
paying a bunch of us, but I don't know about you.
Excuse me?
They're not.
They're not, in theory.
Okay, so we got our XREAL glasses themselves. Okay. So XREALs don't have batteries, right? So you always need to have them plugged into a USB-C.
Correct.
Okay, so hang on. So let me just figure this out real quick. I will say that it's very thick. Like,
What's wrong with that?
I just don't want something heavy sitting on my face.
All right. All right.
That's not what you said last night, my dude.
Whoa!
So let me do the tutorial, and then let's figure this out. Spatial screen is preparing, unlocking a new perspective. Oh, I'm in Dex! Holy sh! I got Dex everywhere I look. Dex up, Dex down, Dex right, Dex left. That's a big Dex, man. Whoa. Oh, I got dark, and if I long press it again, it's light. Can you see the difference? Can you see through it? Let's see. Open.
That is cool.
Close. That's really rad.
Damn.
Okay, so I've got my Dex touchpad here. So basically, I'm looking at my giant display here. So my phone is now my touchpad. Wait, this is good. Okay, so I can use 2 fingers to scroll. Look, this is like totally a real thing. I'm scrolling threads right now on my eyeballs. I literally can't show you anything right now, but this is actually really cool.
It's cool.
Anyone want to give this a try?
Yeah. Like, I actually dig these.
The way I understand it, if you plug this into almost any device that supports USB audio, video, as well as data over USB-C, which would be something like a phone that has DeX, obviously most like laptops that have USB-C out and whatnot. This just works as a display, right? So it doesn't need any like crazy custom software. All of the actual like firmware is doing the tracking. So basically when you just have your monitors just floating there. But the problem is this is not cheap, right? This is pretty pricey.
Yes. This. Do you have a guess?
Like $400?
No, my
Six-
friend.
600.
The regular XREAL ones, just the regular
Regular
ones, are 500.
Oh
These
my
are
God.
the One Pros.
Oh my God.
650.
That's actually cheaper than I thought it would be.
That's a lot of money. You could buy a whole Meta Quest for that. I'm like kind of torn. This is the best version of this thing that I've ever tried. It is significantly more useful than most of these kind of like AR headsets, and I like the fact that it just works. But also, all the buttons are a little fiddly, and I don't like how heavy and hot. It's not hot, but it's warm. You can still see better from like the pass-through on like a MetaQuest 3S compared to looking through the layers of all the glass and stuff here. I get that this is a solid option for some people. I just think it's too expensive for what it is. But Zuck, you got me one of them Orions laying around. Hook your boy up. Hello, my friends. This is an item I picked.
Correct.
Yeah.
I'm glad you
That's
remembered.
illegal.
This
I
is-
do remember. This is the very first handheld that is meant specifically to emulate the Nintendo dual screen, the Nintendo,
The Nintendo
the
Dish?
these
This?
nuts. I don't know. All I know is this.
Oh, we fell for it.
You did. This is a MagicX Zero 40. This looks really cool. So it has a 4-inch IPS display, which is a 480 by 800 resolution.
You've never seen 4 inches in your life.
Tiny.
Anyway, we got some lovely specs here. Oh, actually, you know what? It's smaller than I thought. Oh, wow. So these screens, even though it's a 4-inch screen, the actual, if you were splitting it in half, that's a lot smaller than what the DS would look like. Ooh, I like this. I will say the plastic is very cheap. Like, it's definitely like this super cheap, kind of like generic town plastic. D-pad feels decent. Got your triggers. I mean, it doesn't feel premium, but it feels fine. It actually has 2 USB-C, so it has an OTG port as well as you have just your power, headphone jack, and you do have 2 micro SD cards, one of which is already included.
Probably the OS.
Oh, it's actually a SanDisk. It's a 64 gig SanDisk SD card.
Oh, they splurged.
Okay, so once we're actually into the interface, so we have DS, arcade. Oh, DS and arcade. So actually, you know what? That makes sense because arcade is one of the other things that actually can take advantage of a vertical display. How about apps and settings? So we have Drastic, which is the DS emulator, DuckStation, Flycast, M64 Plus, My Boy, My Old Boy, PPSSPP, Redream, I'm not sure what that one is, RetroArch, and Senshiro 2 Pro. Let's just hop into my library and see. Oh yeah, we got games, baby. 007 Bloodstone or Quantum of Solace. 1 versus 100. Oh, we got, wait, how many games are there? 1,400. How about we play Pokemon Black 2?
Oh, God.
I want to see what it looks like. Speakers are actually not bad. Those screens are really small. So for comparison, if we put it side by side with the 2DS, you can see that it is dramatically smaller, which is nice in some ways because it's more pocketable. And I will say, I will always shout out the 2DS for even though it looks dumb and stupid, it's actually fairly comfortable. This is a little more like, so if you look at the way my wrists sit, it's kind of like sort of like wider. And then if I do it like this, I'm like kind of like choked down on the grip, and that feels a little bit Not great. Let me try an actual arcade game. Okay, I will say I'm not as immediately a huge fan of this. It works fine. The D-pad's definitely better though. For some reason, it keeps giving me issues with the stick. It works, but the inputs are like not sensitive enough to me. Okay. This is good. I will say I like this, especially because if I remember right, Alex, this was like very reasonably priced, right? It was not super crazy.
Yeah, so it was $75.
Wait, what?
Yeah, that's worth it.
And especially because this is the
100%.
very first release. You gotta assume that as with almost all emulator handhelds, over time, it's gonna go down a little bit in price. But like, 75 bucks if you really like yourself DS. Now, unfortunately, I don't think this is powerful enough to run 3 DS games. But, you know what? If you wanna play some DS, or especially if you wanna play like some arcade games with that vertical sort of display, there are very few decent options out there other than playing on a much larger device. It's gonna have a bunch of like black bars and whatnot. Like this is neat.
Okay.
Okay.
Jesus Christ!
Almost.
Ooh, that was a nice little
Bonk.
boom. Oh, is this a gift from Boom? Holy shit, is that a model? Give me. Okay, if you're unfamiliar, there's a little company called Boom Supersonic. So their goal is to build a supersonic airliner, which it has been, 20 something years since the last time that non-fighter pilots could fly at supersonic speeds. We actually did a whole video on it where we went out and we saw them fly their test plane. I got to meet the CEO. All right, so they're taxiing out right now. They're about to go down the runway. This is so cool. Here they come. Here they come.
In the pilot's world, we say that if an aircraft looks right, she'll fly right, and XB1 certainly looks right.
Okay, so let's see what we got here. Oh, that's cute. Oh, wait,
Couldn't afford
whoa.
the ink.
It's just a Venmo request.
You owe us for the trip.
Honestly, I volunteer. I'll prepay my ticket. No, look, it's actually a signed poster. So it's signed by Geppetto, the pilot. That's really cool.
His name's Geppetto?
His name's
No, his call sign.
Let's call sign Geppetto.
Oh.
Look, you can't be a pilot without a cool call sign.
Well, that's...
That is really rad. Thank you, Boom. Let me see what's in the big guy here. Oh, it's a little letter. Y'all, this is so cool. Oh, this is a handwritten letter from the CEO. Okay, fine, I'll pre-order 2 tickets on my Overture. That is really nice. Oh, snap, that's cool. That's cool. So this is a 1/125th scale of the real Overture. Thank you very much, Boom. If you haven't seen our video all about this, you should definitely go check it out. If you've watched the channel for a minute, you know that I have gone through a long and arduous journey with HP and some of the very, very low-end products.
a minute, dude. It's only been like a second.
Well, trust me here. With the HP stream, I have made numerous videos over the years. And shockingly, the 2025 HP stream is actually a pretty good computer for less than 200 bucks. And lo and behold, there's a new 2025 model of this one too. So they've already fixed the laptop. Have they fixed the all-in-one desktop? Without further ado, let's open the damn box, shall we? Oh, I got to build it. Okay. Well, sure, that's fine. Got ourselves a little monitor stand. We have the base. So this actually is different because if I remember right, the last time I looked at one of these, it was like basically a single unit that looked kind of like big and plastic, but basically like a cheap old like iMac.
It had a bent coat hanger for a stand, basically.
Yeah, it was super, super weak. My biggest question though was the spec. I will be honest with you, I saw that the design of this looked different. I didn't actually stop to look at the spec, partially because I thought it'd be hilarious for me to reveal that on camera to myself, also because I'm a little bit afraid of what the spec is. Wow, that actually don't look too bad.
Yeah.
Look at that. Let me set this thing up. We're gonna see. It can't be that bad, right? I mean, surely they've improved it. Well, the good thing is, it's downloading a giant Windows update. It says it's gonna take 1 to 2 hours. So we'll be right back. It is, in fact, dual core processor, yay!
Oh.
Wow. And 4 gigs of RAM, which is bad. And we do have 128 gig SSD, which is good. Can I just point out the fact that Task Manager has been open and it is 100% CPU utilization and almost 100% RAM the entire time. Just sitting here doing absolutely nothing. So let me do this. I'm gonna give this the best possible shot. I'm gonna close down as many things as I can. So OneDrive, get out of here. Yep. Why don't we turn on the webcam and see how beautiful it is? Ready, set, and...
Yeah, no, that's just what you look like, dude.
Okay, I'm gonna record on this thing.
Man discovers mirror.
Hello, friends. This is a beautiful sample of the image quality from the webcam on my high quality device. Okay. Oh my God, the CPU went down to 61%. Yeah, let's do stuff now, y'all. I think I look up Danky, and the very first thing I see is a sponsored thing of, are you gay? Find out now. To 1080p, and just for funsies, let's change it to French.
French. Actually, French can kind of good.
How much would you pay for an all-in-one with a 1080p display, absolutely hot, and also this beautiful aesthetic?
Nothing. I wouldn't buy this.
Yeah, who would?
It's so worth the that we spend on it.
The what? The how much?
What? Oh, sorry. I'm just gonna. It's I got a great deal on full price, no sale for $400.
$400?
What? It's a bargain compared to buying another PC that's better. And oh my God, what? Oh no, he's doing the thing, isn't he? Oh my God, here we go.
Do it.
Man,
Do it.
Wow.
Here it goes.
Even when Rio says it, you know it's gonna happen.
Okay, all right. Well, it isn't really good. Oh, okay.
Hey, sweet.
Wow. You know what? I feel like. Oh yeah, you forgot. Okay. Well, maybe better luck next time.